Hey guys, do something a little bit different in this video. The other day my son had an earache and a fever, so I took him to the local clinic, and while we were waiting in the doctor's office I noticed he had a jar full of those tongue suppressors, and I couldn't help but think that would be an interesting canvas to draw or paint on. So I got one, brought it home, and thought I would paint a little Star Wars scene on it. So in this video I thought I would just show you what I came up with. So I started with a light pencil sketch, and then I just inked over the little TIE fighters and the X-Wing, and then I started painting the ships, some gray, threw in a little yellow, some red, and then the sky's just black with some white for stars, and then an orangish yellow planet there, and that was it. It was pretty fun little art project. Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me, or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.